When you quit your mainstream job to enter a life full of creativity and goodness, like maybe farming, you don't realize that with it you also enter a very different abode of ego. Somewhere along the track, you lose track of why you shifted gears in the first place. And then you realize you converted your safe green heaven into yet another job. When you always have to make things right, when the idea has to be big, or scalable, or applicable, or practical, or smarter, or competitive, rings a bell? But no, please no. Sometimes, and I wish more times, it is something as simple as spending a whole day weeding in silence, or picking up plastic litter, or being so slow that you spot the vine you desperately wanted to grow and support it up, or plucking hibiscus leaves from fresh trimmings to make shampoo, or be slow enough to spot and say hi to random bugs, make them perch on your palms, at least the pretty ones. Nature doesn't need big ideas or saving or fixing all the time. Sometimes all she asks is, "Do you have time?" She pats the ground next to her, gesturing you to sit on her muddy, rocky, maybe thorny or even soft grassy lap. "Do you have time," she asks, "to just sit next to me and sing me the song of your breath? Do you have time to hear my heartbeat, to kiss me hello and wave me a smile, to offer me your company, your solitude so intertwined with mine? Do you have time to befriend me, O self-proclaimed warrior? Look around once. I am magic. Do you really think my magic needs saving by your brute force? It's alright. Don't think so much. Maybe let my magic do the saving of you for once. Sing me the song of your breath, will you?